In this video, I'm going to show you some step-by-step ways on how you can develop a system for living with your core values and beliefs. Why? Because core values and beliefs help us to live a happier life, give us a sense of achievement in our lives, help us make better decisions, help give us a better self-awareness, have less doubts, improve mental health, and so much more. There are a lot of benefits to realizing what our values are, what our core beliefs are, and living according to those in our day-to-day lives. This video is based on an article I wrote on efficiencyandorganization.com, and the link for the article can be found in the description box. So here we go. Step 1. Do a quick search online for a list of values to choose from. This was a big thing for me because I was like, what are my values? What is it? What is there like something I could choose from? And so I did find some really good articles online, and I'll have some of the links for you in the description box. But basically, I took a look at those. That was my step 1, was doing a search to see what some values and beliefs are out there that I could choose from. After finding the list, the best thing to do is to circle and highlight after printing what some of the ones are that resonate the most with you. So for example, if you're the kind of person who likes to travel, well then travel is probably like a core value, a belief system for you. But if you're the kind of person who likes to stay in one place because you just like that stability, then that's fine, then that's your core value. Try to bring your list of values and beliefs down to anywhere from 3 to 5 if you can. So the way I did this was through these cards. I wrote down some of my beliefs, core values and beliefs on these cards. Then I said, okay, I'm going to put them in a prioritized order. I had to figure out between all the ones that I had, like let's say I had 15 to 20, I had to put them in priority order, and having something like this is visual, so that way I can actually put them one after the other and see which ones are my top one. Next thing I did was I opened up a Microsoft Excel file, which you could do either on Excel, on Word, or you could just do it by writing on a piece of paper. Lastly, I wrote down some goals and action plans based on them. So on Excel, I said, okay, so if one of mine is inner harmony, what would be a good goal to achieve that? If one of my values is financial stability, great. So what kind of a goal can I have to achieve that? And the last step after writing all the goals and all the action steps is monitoring them. So what I do is once every 2 to 3 weeks, I have it on my calendar as a reminder to go back into my Excel sheet and monitor to see if I'm actually meeting those action plans and goals. One of my goals is to constantly read and to educate myself. And so to be more specific, my goal is to read at least 12 books each year. So that's one of the action plans. Now, every 2 to 3 weeks on my calendar, it's written down for me to go check and see how I'm doing. I'm currently at about 6 books. I'm a little behind, so that tells me that I need to read a little bit more at a little bit faster pace, so that way I could catch up and actually meet the goal in my 12-month time that I have set. So again, I'll put the link to the article because it's very detailed in the description box that you can visit. Please subscribe to the article, and also when you go to visit the website, because that way you can get information as soon as new videos are released and as soon as new articles are published. I write a lot about how to be more efficient, more productive, have better time management in life to be able to achieve a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.